What is up, guys? Crypto Richie back again. Are you tired of seeing my face already? Again, this is our series of MetaMask, and what we're doing, just as easy as the last video, we're going to show you guys how to add AVAX or Avalanche into your wallet. So you're going to come here and you're going to open up another tab, just like we did yesterday. We're going to put, I don't know why I said yesterday, because I just did that not 30 seconds ago. How to add AVAX to MetaMask. It's going to autofill. You are looking for pretty much any of these. I think they're all about the same. You're just going to tap one and you're coming down to find this right here. Again, the same thing as last time. We're going to copy and paste the URLs. We're going to come over here. We're going to hit the same thing. We're going to go down here to add network, and we're going to go to the new RPC. We're going to paste that. We're going to come down here to the Explorer URLs, what it should be. We're going to paste that. Maybe because this one's got more than just two, we're going to go ahead and copy this. But we know it's Avalanche and we know it's AVAX. So don't think you guys are going to need those. We'll just put AVAX in here. Again, optional. And of course, Avalanche Network. And it doesn't matter even if you spell these wrong. It doesn't really matter. We're going to hit save. Once again, now you have AVAX. Easy peasy, rice and cheesy. Now we have Ethereum, AVAX, and BNB. So that's literally how easy that is, guys, for every one of these. But again, we are going to go through these in our series. If you guys want to check out our how-to token, please check out the website, and we will see you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to like, follow, and share. I really want to build up this YouTube to show you guys how to get into crypto. See you guys on the next one.